There's no doubt that kids love watching videos, but showing an educational video in class isn't always easy. There's no way to know if students are actively watching or understanding the content. So how can you use video in a way that engages young students and holds them accountable for their learning? Edpuzzle is the perfect solution for using video with your primary school classroom. All you need to do is find a YouTube video, record your own, or choose from Edpuzzle's extensive library of ready-to-go video lessons. Then use Edpuzzle's video editor to embed questions so you can check for students' understanding. Edpuzzle acts like your co-teacher and keeps students focused on the video, giving you time to work with small groups. There are many ways to use Edpuzzle in the classroom. You can use an Edpuzzle video lesson to help students practice handwriting while doing a hands-on activity, guide students as they complete a math worksheet, discuss a science concept as a class using Edpuzzle's live mode, or offer extra educational resources for students to do at home with their families. As students watch your video lesson, Edpuzzle's real-time analytics will help you identify any misconceptions and adapt your lessons accordingly. Worried about online safety? You can trust Edpuzzle to deliver videos securely to your students. That means no ads, no suggested videos, and no access to inappropriate content. Check out edpuzzle.com to learn more and start creating your own video lessons today.